Welcome guys, in this video we're gonna draw some lovely animals and birds only using sketch pens. So get your items ready. Draw a body of a dinosaur and draw two large eyes and some pupils using black. Add a big smile and some nose. Now draw dorsal plates on its back and also toenails. Color it with bright yellow and some black dots. Draw two parallel lines and have some half circle at the side and one more in the bottom and one in the middle and one oval shape at the bottom and two A's-like shapes and two eyes black, and also do one more circle in the middle and one pupil and a cute nose and snout. Add curls in the tree and some cute little leaves. Now color the panda. Draw a huge 7 and a small letter M and extend two curves like tree and connect the 7. Now add cute little paw and some hind legs and fluffy tail, two eyes and a cute smile. It's not round, it's a carrot. Add leaves on top, details of a carrot. Start coloring the cute rabbit. Draw a little cloud on the top and add a waist-like drawing at the bottom. Draw two curly designs. Add some cute little eyes. It's a sheep. Add in the mouth and extend the cloud-like pattern which forms the body. Now draw some cute little legs and color the sheep. Add a circle of grass. Draw a circle and draw number 6, number 1, another number 1, and 3 curves on the bottom, and draw 2 A's. It's a dog. Add 2 eyes, draw nose and mouth, and draw its collarbell and the collar, and draw the main part of it, the tail, and add in the patches like brown on the random parts of the body and color them completely. Draw one circle on the top, another one at the bottom, connect them with curved lines and add in the narrow rectangle, pairs of them apart from each other. Draw in a curve and add it as a tail. Do the fluff at the end. Add in hooves, ears and the protrusions. It's a giraffe. Draw eyes and snout and mouth. Add in the fur. Now it's important to add the polka dots. Color them. Draw a lovely circle and number 22 at the bottom, then connect both of them with a curved line and detail the toes. Add in some cute little hands and a long tail at the end. Now add in 2 ears and the face parts of a monkey, the eyes and the cute nose and a little smile. Color them. Draw number 5 and extend the head to a curve, then add in the cloudy design and extend it and close the cloud. Now draw a little eye and number 611 and extend the egg-like shape and detail the toes. Add in the long tail and the fluff at the end. Draw the fan and color it. Draw an upside down curved triangle and draw a V shape in the middle. Now connect both the ends on the other sides. Draw a closed eye design and a little nose. It's a cunning fox. Draw a curve and connect the tail to the body. Add in the details. Using a bottle cap and stencil, draw one big circle and 2 small circles and connect them with lines, and connect even more 2 lines and add in 2 huge ears. It's a bear. Do in the detail of the ears and mouth. Add in cute eyes and a little nose and the mouth. Color it pink. Thank you for watching this video guys.